Today we're gonna make a driving video of my 2023 Ford F-150 with the 5-liter V8 in it. And now I have made driving videos in this before, but the reason why we're doing another one is because if you guys missed the previous video, we just installed a Flowmaster FlowFX direct fit muffler, and it uses the stock resonator, as you can see, but the new muffler is the muffler is the only thing that's different. And of course, we're gonna get a nice cold start before we head out. Okay, so right now I'm just waiting here at a stoplight. I have it in eco mode right now. So we'll just see what it sounds like while accelerating normally. So yeah, as you can see, you know, it's definitely louder than stock, but you know, it's definitely not obnoxious either. And you know, especially coming from the back, you know, you can hear it downshifting a little bit. Like as I'm stopping, I don't know if you can hear that, but you might be able to hear a little bit of the exhaust when you come to a stop as well. So yeah, I mean, it's mainly like when you're kind of accelerating, you know, moderately, you know, not super gently, but also not gunning it either. You know, that's when it seems to actually be the loudest. But when you're gunning it, you know, it still sounds a bit different even when gunning it, but you know, it still also sounds like mild stock as well. Like, see, I don't know if you heard that, but like when I was coasting, you probably heard a little bit of a rumble in the back from, you know, from the exhaust. And then from this stoplight, we'll just do another normal acceleration. I'm gonna switch it to normal. the other thing too is that when you're just cruising in 10th gear, a lot of times you'll hear the cylinder deactivation go in and out. But even when you're cruising at like 55, 60 miles an hour, there's still no drone or anything in the back. But in a little bit, we're gonna get on the freeway and we're gonna, and I'll show you that there's also no drone or anything on the freeway either, which is when you would hear it the most if there was any. I'm gonna put it in sport mode here and then we'll do, you know, kind of a good acceleration. And then like even when it's downshifting, you know, like I was saying earlier, you still hear some rumble even when it's just downshifting. Like right now it's a little over 3,000 RPM. right, well, even going 80 miles an hour, there is still no drone or anything. And I set the cruise control at 75. Again, there's no drone or anything whatsoever. You just hear a tiny little bit of rumbling in the back. Although now the cylinder deactivation is kicked in, and now it just went out. So yeah, it's definitely not loud at all on the freeway or anything. You know, it's that thing where, you know, you can definitely hear it, but it's not obnoxious. It's not gonna annoy you or anything, you know, but like I said, you do hear it. I'm gonna take this exit and we're gonna see what it sounds like when you're actually downshifting. All right, guys, well, I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. But what I'm gonna do before I close out the video, sorry for all the wind, but you know, obviously, as you can tell from up front, the truck doesn't sound any different. But when you go towards the back, the rear of the vehicle, you might be able to hear a little bit of a rumble. So yeah, I mean, especially at low idle, I mean, it is a little bit louder than what it is stock, but especially at high idle, you know, during cold starts, it is significantly louder, but nothing too crazy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you in the next one.